Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches, and today I'm super excited. I got this big box in. If you haven't shopped with Green Fairy before, I cannot encourage you enough to check them out. They have some fantastic prices, and I am getting ready for some sew-alongs for this year, and I'm pretty sure that's what's in the box, so I can't wait to show you what I've decided to do for the year. Of course, this is not everything that I plan to do for the year, but this is kind of where I'm starting off here in January. So let me hop in and take a peek. I'm always super worried if it's fabric. Most of these fabric companies are really good about packaging it well, but I would hate to cut through and hit some of my fabric. You guys, I am going to be sewing along with Corey Yoder's Calico Quilt Along Block of the Month this year. Now, they recommend for that quilt along that you get a fat 1/8 bundle. And of course, you know, if you wanted to leave certain things out or change it up, you wouldn't have room to do that. But I went on this Green Fairy site and they had this fat quarter bundle from Corey Yoder. I don't want to misquote. It was on sale for $135. I think the regular retail price was $177. So this is going to be an entire year of quilting plus some for this block of the month, and I'm so excited. We've gotten a couple of these fabrics from Fat Quarter Shop so far, and they are so pretty. So let me get you guys some better shots of this. I mean, just look at that rainbow of color, you guys. It is so fun. There's this, I guess it's in a couple different colorways here, and I'll open this up and we'll take a peek here in a little bit because I'm definitely going to be getting it on the starching rack. In fact, why not? We're just gonna jump right on in. It's part of the reason I wanted to do this unboxing right now, as soon as I got home with it here, so that I could start starching things, so I could get ready to get started. Okay. So this is Corey Yoder's most recent fabric. It is so pretty. So we have a couple of these different background fabrics that I really like quite a lot. It's kind of fun and playful, and it gives you a little bit more than just your standard background. I'm not sure if that's going to show up on camera. This is a white on white dot. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm having a lot of trouble with white blowing out a lot on my screen. I turn off most of the lights in my sewing room when I'm filming, which is weird, but that's what I have to do. Does that show it any better? Maybe a little bit. I'll try to catch it with my camera for you. Okay, and I just love this, you guys. I don't know why. This one is probably like my favorite background of this entire collection, but it's so cute and so dainty. And then this collection has a lot of cherries in it. I don't know what it is about birds and cherries this year, but I feel like I'm seeing an awful lot of them, and they're so pretty. This would be really fun as a border if you had a dark background for the main body of your quilt. I think that would be a lot of fun. And then we have some pink florals. I like that. Just the two-tone with the pink and then the kind of minty green. I can probably lay them all out right here. I haven't seen this one, so I haven't actually seen this entire collection in person yet, but I really like how Corey always pulls similar colors. You know, a lot of designers, if you end up really liking their stuff, a lot of their collections kind of play nicely with each other, and Corey's certainly do. But this kind of pink salmon-y color is really fun, and then it just transitions to a slightly darker variety. Love this little dot. I got a couple of these dots, I think, in the Fat Quarter bundle from Fat Quarter Shop, I don't know, a month or two ago. I just think this is going to be so pretty, and we're going to be doing that block of the month with Corey Yoder I think it's block of the month. I know it's a sew-along. I know it's a sew-along, and I know we'll be doing videos, but I can't wait. It's going to be a lot of fun. A lot of fun. And I feel like we had that one in the Fat Quarter bundle too, but really fun. You got your flowers and then these almost citrusy lemony sides. This is fun. I hadn't seen it with the blue mixed in there. So there's a little bit of blue in our bloom. And then I'm pretty sure, maybe I don't know, maybe I just assume, I think we got this dot in the Fat Quarter bundle from Fat Quarter Shop also. And I have one other project that I'm going to be working on with this fabric, so I know I'm going to love having the extra. Oh, I really like this one. I don't know why I've been drawn to the oranges lately. I'm really, really liking orange a lot. And there is a fair depth of it, and then it kind of bleeds into this yellow, buttery kind of color. I like it. I like it a lot. Hello. And then that has that same kind of citrus plus the flowers. Yeah, this is going to be a beautiful quilt, you guys. This is one of those where the prints are small and you can make lots of teeny tiny blocks and still get a constant kind of color variety. I think it's going to be great. And I love these little cherries. So fun. So that was yellow. Now we've got it in green. I think it's also in blue in this bundle. I really like this print. I hadn't seen it before today. This kind of blue accent in there. That's really fun. I keep wanting to say blueberries, but it's certainly not a blueberry. Heck, maybe it is. Who knows? Maybe I'll Google that like I did the other one. That's fun. Now this is interesting. I mean, it matches the... I feel like in every collection there's always a fabric that I'm like, huh, it matches, but yeah. But I like it. I think it definitely will tie nicely once we get the whole quilt together, but that's kind of one of those that I probably wouldn't have just snagged all by itself. We got a couple more cute background fabrics here. I do like that there's a lot of depth in this bundle where you have a lot of different background fabrics to choose from. There's just lots of fun, different colors. I cannot wait to see what Corey has come up with for us for the year. We've got another cherry pattern here. This one's in kind of a minty teal color. And then we've seen these little flowers before. But it's kind of refreshing when they repeat enough that you have some cohesiveness, even though you've got a bunch of different colors in this whole bundle. So this one had the blue highlights in some of the other patterns or accents, and here we've got it with a red accent. And then here it's almost exclusively blue, which is really fun. I like it a lot. Some cute little flowers. And then this is that same one that had the blue accents, but with the blue background and blue stems, and then white as the flower and white as some of the accents too. Yeah, really great play with colors this time. I just love this bundle. I really do. And a lot of her bundles are going to have more of kind of that rainbow. This one has fewer reds than, I mean, I guess she's had other ones that have like very little red as well, but this one does not have much in the way of red except for tied into a couple of these prints. I like this print a lot. But I do have to say this next one is by far my favorite, and I think if it's not slated to be the border for this quilt for her, I'm going to probably choose to make it my border. I just think that that is adorable. And if it looks right, once we see what the quilt comes together as, that I really like that a lot. Oh, this is fun. This is really fun. I don't see this combination very often, and that is, it's perfect for this bundle. Look at that. So we've got blue flowers in the center of blue dots in the center of white flowers with a pink background. And then this ties right there next to it. Oh, you guys, I'm so excited about this bundle. It's going to be a fun year. And I like this selvage too. Yay. Okay, so this is that same dot that we have for the white on white. It's just that you can actually see it. So it's kind of different. It's a little bit bigger. I don't want to call it snow because it's not quite that irregular, but it does look a little bit like some of the snow lines to me. And then she always kind of ties in some of these darker colors. They're a little bit more natural, so I like that there's a variety of, you know, depth of color and saturation. So yeah, that's our whole fat quarter bundle here, guys. I hope you're as excited about this as I am. I can't wait to sew this one out with Corey over the year with Coriander Quilts. Okay, so one of the other things that I ordered, because they have such great pricing on some of their stuff and I wanted coordinating, was I ordered some fabric to go along with it. I think I grabbed, that's just a text fabric, something else. So I ended up getting this. I thought I was going to use this as my background fabric for this project coming up, but I was actually hoping to get this one. And I don't know if you can see the difference. This one's a lot daintier print, smaller, ditzier, and we're going to see. I may make a test block with this one. I don't know. It may work out. It may not. We'll see. Sometimes you try things and they don't work. And sometimes you try things and you love them. That's just the way it goes. So that is my latest haul from Green Fairy. I'm so glad that I got to share this with you guys, and I'm excited to share that I want to do Coriander Quilts Calico Quilt Along for this year. I hope you'd love to sew it out with me too. I want to do probably a tutorial every month on the blocks as they come out, so if you're interested in that, definitely comment below and let me know. If you do like any of these unboxing videos or my other tutorials, it does help me out a ton if you would hit that like and subscribe button. And until then, guys, I will see you next time.